Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by unlocking your phone and opening Settings to check for hidden apps. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps and confirm App Store is enabled with the switch turned on. On Android, open Settings, then Apps, then Disabled, or App Info to restore it. If you still cannot find the App Store, use Search or Reinstall from the official site. Restart the device after enabling Settings to ensure the App Store appears on the home screen. If the App Store was deleted, you can reinstall it from the official app repository. On iPhone, open the App Store app page or tap your Apple ID to check hidden purchases. For Android, open Google Play, then My Apps and Games, then Library to restore removed apps. Update your operating system to the latest version using Settings, then General, then Software Update. Sign out and sign back into your account to refresh permissions and entitlements. Restart the device after reinstalling to finalize app restoration. Reset the home screen layout to recover missing icons using Settings, then General, then Reset. Check screen time or parental controls to ensure the App Store is not blocked by limits. If account problems persist, verify payment method, address, and regional settings in account preferences. Backup your data using iCloud or Google Drive before attempting a factory reset to avoid data loss. Contact Apple or Google support with device serial number and software version for guided help. Try signing out of your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.